Are you sick of tripping on your downspout extensions? Oh, we've got a solution for you. What's up everybody, Josh, starterraingutterbusiness.com. Today we're gonna show you a simple device that we found that helps you make a normal downspout extension into a hinged extension, so you can fold it up out of the way, fold it down when you need the water away from your foundation, and I'm gonna show you how to get that going. This is for homeowners and all you rain gutter guys out there. So this is what a bag of these Zip Hinges looks like. We get them just in bulk, just to save a little money. For you homeowners out there, we're gonna have a link in the description below for you to find them on Amazon. Again, it's called Zip Hinges, and this is a 12 pack of them. So these work really good. They're really self-explanatory. It's nice because they give you like the complete instructions right on the front of the bag with pictures and everything. So can't beat that. So normally what we do is we just get them in white and then spray paint them to color match whatever downspout we're doing. That way it's because we get color matched spray paint, so that way they match like exactly what you're trying to put them on. Amazon does carry a couple different colors of them, so you can get close to what you're looking for. And then if you have an existing extension, you can put them on there. Or if you need to find an extension, you can, if you need to, you can find some paint matched spray paint for your application. So this is what they look like just coming out of the bag. You're gonna need one set of these, so 2 pieces, 1 for each side of the extension. And then this is like a little, I call it the wishbone. This goes up on the downspout itself. I'll kind of show you how that works. I usually don't use them, especially for shorter extensions. They're kind of a chintzy little part of it in my opinion, but for longer extensions that have to be held on up or down, or if it's a windy area or something, these do work pretty good. So, and they come with these Zip Hinges in the bag. So you just start by taking your existing extension off. A lot of times there's some screws in this, and you just take those zip screws out. And a lot of times you can just eyeball these, but just for the video, I'll throw a speed square on here. You want a 45-degree angle on these. So that's what one end of the speed square is, so that works pretty good. Just do a 45 all the way around, flat on top. And you're going to want to make sure that bottom part of your extension is straight too before you start marking everything. Just because you want this cut to be pretty square. If you get these off a little bit, like say this cut is crooked and one side is sticking out more than the other when you get your final top cut, what'll happen is this whole thing will set crooked with these Zip Hinges, and then it like folds funny and like sticks up in a weird direction. So you want all that to be pretty square. So then just take a pair of tin snips. We use the right angle Milwaukee snips. And there's your 45-degree angle cut on there. Turned out pretty good. I don't think I need to mess with it much. So each one of these Zip Hinges goes on just one side of this extension. You just push them on good. Actually, they look fairly even on there. And then these already are pre-drilled for zip screws, so you just use a little 1/4-inch head zip screw, or we normally use a half-inch shank on these screws. You could use a little smaller too if you wanted. So I like to put it on the extension part first, and then you can just line these parts up, and it just slides right onto the other. If you can see, there's a little tab in there. So you slide that, any metal you put in there, you put it inside that tab. So it kind of helps you hold it while you're screwing it together. Just slide them all nice and tight. I like to hold it in there a little bit while I'm getting my screws ready. And there you have it, easy as that. So now the idea here is this angle sets underneath of the elbow, so the water can still flow into your extension. And then when you don't need it, you can fold it up out of the way. And they do stay up nice, that little wishbone deal. If you're doing longer ones, I like to just leave the short ones, just kind of stay on their own. But if you're doing a longer one, this wishbone can go right on just kind of the front center of your downspout. Holds it, and then if you need to, you just twist it. Let's go. And then if you need to hold it back up, just twists right back onto it. There you have it. Zip hinge install. So these work really good. It's a pretty easy way to upsell like a customer if they're, I mean, customers love these things. So it's nice to have the option to get rid of that downspout out of the way when you don't need it, you know, the hotter months of the summer and whenever you don't need that sticking over your walkway or wherever your downspout extension is. So, and just like that, we solved our tripping issue. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, comment. We love reading your guys' comments, and they give us good ideas for new videos. And hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I can't. Here, I'll just bend it a little bit. There we go. Ready?
Yep.